Hi guys, it's me Aram from Aries TV and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about French numbers from 1 to 10 with their spellings. So without any further ado, let's begin. Can you pass me that please? Oh no. So now that we got rid of that problem, let's continue. So 1 is un. 2 is deux. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. 9 is neuf. And 10 is dix. Now let's continue from 11 to 20. And you might have also noticed it's a lot like Spanish numbers, like uno, dos, tres. But here it's un, dos, tres. Anyways, let's continue. 11 is onze. 12 is douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. And lastly, 20 is vingt. So guys, that was it for me about French numbers 1 to 20 for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye.